Welcome to Mech Bro YouTube channel. Before starting CSS, make sure to check out our HTML tutorials. Link is in the description. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Let's get started. What is web development? Web development is a process of building and maintaining websites, and it includes the designing and coding and making website work smoothly on the internet. With example I will show you. In previous HTML session I explained you with the human skeleton. Here I am explaining you with the car. Okay. In human skeleton, see, for this HTML, without human skeleton we cannot our body cannot exist. The same way here, without car chassis, or we cannot provide engine anything to this chassis. So chassis plays a main role here. And the same way, the HTML is a content and markup language, and for CSS it's a aesthetic looks, and we are providing all those things like tires, engine and everything which comes under CSS. Because we are providing, without providing all those things it cannot work. The working of this car is actually a JavaScript. See, the CSS is a presentation and style sheet language. Okay, keep that in mind. JavaScript. What is actually JavaScript? JavaScript is a behavior and programming language. I will explain you with example. See here, car is moving in water. What kind of action it was car was doing? Car was actually doing, it's moving. If the car rolls, that is also an action. What kind of action it provides, that is actually a JavaScript. Okay. Yes. CSS full form is cascading style sheets. Okay, just note it down. What is CSS? Already explained you with the example in previous slides. Here cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used for specifying the presentation and styling of a document in written in a markup language such as HTML or XML. That's what I explained you in with the example which shown in this card slide. This is the example I showed you. This is what I explained you. So you guys understand it, right? If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.